So glad you're back. So we're going to talk about high five breathing. It's very simple. We're going to take and trace our hands. So as we trace, we are going to take a deep breath in. We're going to hold it when we get to the top, and then we're going to blow it out when we go down. Then breathing in, holding, blowing out. Breathing in, holding, blowing out. Holding and breathing in, holding, breathing out, breathing in, holding, blowing out. What's nice is our kids have their hands all the time. This is a tool that you can use wherever you are. Obviously, you don't have to bring extra equipment or anything to do. So whether you're in the middle of the grocery store, whether your child's sitting in class, whether you're at home, this is something they can put their hand up. That tactile stimulation, meaning when I touch my hand, I know I'm here, I know it's real. That is very helpful for when we're having a grief moment that might be wrapped in some anxiety or some overwhelm. The other part that is nice is most of our kids these days wear hoodies all the time. So they have a hoodie pocket. They can put their hands in their pocket and very easily trace their hand inside their pocket. Nobody has to know. Again, I think techniques are really important and useful, but only if they're using them. So again, this is really great, something they can have with them and do at any time. Their hand could be in their lap as they trace it. And what you will find is sometimes I've gone to 5, that wasn't enough. I don't feel calmed down. I'm still feeling stressed and overwhelmed. I'm still deep in my grief. Then trace it again. And maybe doing it twice isn't enough, maybe 3 times. But by taking those long, deep, slow breaths, you're actually calming the nervous system, and that helps us bring our other senses back online and calming down. If your child is struggling, you can sit in front of them and do that with them. And just by nature of you calming your breath, they're going to calm their breath. So those are a couple quick tips about the high five breathing. Good luck, and I'd love to hear how it goes.